This video is immensely powerful and I want all of you to watch it till the end because I'm going to give you the most important thing that you have to do every single day to start manifesting and to start witnessing miracle happening in your life. Because if you are missing this thing, then no matter how positive you are, no matter what kind of processes you are following, no matter how many videos you are watching, you are not going to see magnificent change in your life. And most importantly, you may be keep on struggling in your manifestation, and I don't want my awesome tribe to go through that all the time. So are you ready? Are you excited for this video? Are you excited to learn this technique, this process, this wisdom today, so that you are going to create miracles after miracles? Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I'm so happy and excited to be back with all of you guys. Now, all of you are aware about the law of attraction, right? The way law of attraction is working, the way law of attraction is responding to your thoughts, feelings and actions, and the subconscious mind, the way the subconscious mind is working and processing. Now, I keep getting a lot of questions from people in my Instagram where they keep asking me like, AJ, I'm trying to be positive, I believe in the law of attraction, I believe in the subconscious mind, but why my manifestations are not coming true? Why I'm not able to manifest what I desire? Or even most importantly, they are keep on feeling negative almost all through the day and especially in the morning. And many people keep on writing that okay, they are manifesting, but they are more worried about one thing, that the moment they wake up in the morning, they feel negative, they feel angry, they feel sad, they feel all kind of frustrations. And when we are living in a time when mental health is the most important thing, when we have to stay positive and stay aligned to even manifest and create miracles. So why this is happening? And this is where this video is all about. I want all of you to listen to this carefully and watch this video until the end, because this is going to be a game changer in your manifestation process and in your life. So the law of attraction is all about the way we are thinking and focusing. Wherever our focus goes, that's what expand and that's what we manifest. Or in simple term, like attracts like. The vibration we are vibrating, those kind of vibration or experiences or people or things we are manifesting. Now, when it's come to law of attraction, this is the process, this is the universal framework process. But how you are working, how you are sending this vibration to the universe, how you are doing it? Through your subconscious mind. Yes, we have this conscious mind, this conscious state when we are doing everything. Like right now I'm talking to you guys, you are listening to me, you are holding your, maybe you are holding your cup of coffee, you are sitting somewhere, all these things are happening. So you are conscious about that, you are watching AJ's video right this moment. But every time I'm saying something or every time you are listening to me, something else is going inside, some deeper process is going on, something is going on. Maybe there is a voice within you which is telling you that, oh, I'm so happy that AJ has made this video after a long time. For someone else who may be watching my video for the first time, he must be thinking or she must be thinking, oh, who is this guy? He makes sense. He's talking something interesting. Let me watch more of his video. Someone else might be thinking that, okay, where was AJ all this while? When I'm talking this is going inside your head. Where that is happening? That is inside your subconscious mind. If anything like that happening, let me know in the comment section. Now, this subconscious mind that we have is the bond or the bridge between we and the universe, we and the manifestation, we and that higher power, which is helping and guiding us, which is manifesting it for us. Now, only if we could able to implant something inside the subconscious mind, then that subconscious mind process it and then deliver it to the universe or that higher power or the higher system, God, universe, whatever that name you have or whatever you believe in, that system deliver there. So the subconscious mind is the processing. Now, when the subconscious mind is working 24/7 like a machine or a system, but during the day, our subconscious mind also keep getting distracted because so many things are happening. But there is one time when it receive whatever you are thinking and focusing, and that is at night before going to sleep. Yes, that is why I have said again and again in my earlier videos that the most important time in the day is the 5 minutes before you go to sleep. That is the most important time before you go to sleep, because that is when you are slowly shutting down your conscious mind or conscious self, and your subconscious mind is becoming lot more recipient, lot more energized, lot more active. So whatever you are feeding your subconscious mind in that last 5 minutes is the most important thing. And many people make the mistake of feeding their subconscious mind at that last 5 minutes, you know what? With anger, with frustration, with jealousy, with uncertainty, with doubt. And that is the biggest mistake. If you have been doing this mistake, my friend, my dear, dear, dear awesome try, you have to stop doing this. You have to stop doing this. This is the biggest, I don't have word. This is the biggest thing you can do for yourself. That because by default, we have been programmed to do that thing. And you think about it, you can pause this video for a while and think about what are the things you think about just before going to sleep. Either you think about that bad job or the struggle that is happening in your job or studies in your life, or having that bad relationship, or who is jealous of you, or who is not responding to you, or any relationship that is not working, or someone is dying, some health issues, like this is the time of corona, you may be getting a lot of negative news, so you are worried about that, you are worried about many things. So you keep on thinking. Or what usually some other people do to distract from this, not to think about it, they indulge in watching some news, some web series, some movies, something. But only if it is a positive one, still it is better than thinking this negative stuff. But again, because you are kind of in a negative state, so at that time, you by default attracted to more of negative things, more of negative videos. Even if you are watching some documentaries or movies, it must be mostly filled with crime, some kind of negative stuff, some kind of negative experiences, because that is only your vibration. And if you keep feeding these negative things before going to sleep, your subconscious mind will process it all through the night and process it 100 times faster and better than it does during the day, because at night nothing else is happening, your conscious self is shut down and only subconscious is active. So whatever you feed, that's what you will get in the morning. And when you wake up in the morning, you wake up grumpy, you wake up angry, you wake up frustrated, you wake up sad, and mostly the same thought is going inside. And then you wonder, like, I should be positive, right? I should be happy, right? Why my manifestations are not coming true? My friend, your vibration has already gone down. You have spoiled your vibration. And no matter how much you try, you are not manifesting. So there is a correlation to this. In the IT world, like if any of you are working in the IT industry or computer science or been an engineer, you must have heard this term, GIGO. What is that? Garbage in, garbage out. So if in a program, if the input are garbage, means all the wrong stuff, all the bad stuff, then you cannot change the output. The output will always be garbage. So it's the same thing. The GIGO process works for our subconscious mind. If you feed garbage at night before going to sleep, what you will get in your life? Garbage. And here what is garbage? Negativity, frustration, anger, jealousy, uncertainty, doubt. So what I want all of you to do is make this effort every night starting from today. Make this effort of while going to sleep, just for that 5 minutes, keep your phone aside, keep everything aside, and just before going to sleep, deliberately choose positive thoughts, deliberately choose happy thoughts, deliberately choose nice thoughts. If you can think about your dreams and manifestation, that how amazing it is that you are manifesting it, that's great. But maybe initially you won't be able to do it. So think about all the positive things that you can think. You can start saying some I am affirmation, or you just say normally, like you say, I am healthy, I am well, I am positive. Or even you can talk about anything that makes you feel positive, maybe about your family members, someone like I am thankful to God because my parents are healthy. I'm thankful to God because my partner is healthy or alive. I'm thankful to God because I have kids. I'm thankful to God because I have a job. Or you start saying for yourself, whatever, start with the positive state, like I am well, I am healthy, I am fit, I have a job, I have money, I have a house, I have food, I am prosperous, I am loved, I am beautiful, I am gorgeous, I am positive, I am happy, I am peaceful. So you have to feed that last 5 minutes with that much of positivity, and I can guarantee you, you start doing this, and within just 3 days, you will see a shift in your thinking pattern and a shift in your positive vibration in the morning. Do it tonight, and tomorrow morning you will wake up with a lot more positivity and peace and having a lot more energy in your body. Do it for 3 days, you will see a major shift. Do it for 7 days, you will see a lot bigger state, and then you slowly able to start focusing on your manifestation. So this is the most important thing. This one thing, if you do it, you can start witnessing miracles happening in your life, and I want all of you to do it. And if this video is an eye-opener for you, if this video has inspired you, if this video has given you some deeper insight, like it, share it with someone you love. So I want you to do this tonight before going to sleep, and tomorrow come back to this video and let me know what will be your feeling in the morning when you wake up. I'm sure it will be a lot more positive. And along with this, if you are new here, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, be part of our awesome drive. Follow me on Instagram, search for Awesome Is Official, and join me on Instagram, because in Instagram every day I'm sharing a lot of positive stuff, a lot of amazing stuff. And if you are already following, let me know. And most importantly, we have recently released a Law of Attraction Masterclass, and it is very powerful, and we are offering it for free for a very limited time. So if you are yet to join the masterclass, check the link in the description and the comment and go and join it. And don't forget to share this video with your loved one. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay motivated, stay awesome.